Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. Tonight I'm going to cook a piece of chicken, showing it to you for one. Very often people say, well, what do I do if I am by myself cooking? So here is one way of doing it. I have one potato here. So it's a little old, but it's all right. It's about 8 ounces. I take any black spot out of it. Could I even leave I'm going to leave the skin out of that. So cut it into 4 or 5 pieces like this. I have a couple of tablespoons of olive oil there. Okay. And I'm going to put the potato. I have half of a big onion here. It's about 4 ounces, or a smaller onion. Okay. And the first thing I want to do is to put this here into basically one layer here and there. And I'm going to cook that for a couple of minutes till it browns. Salt, pepper on top. I'm going to turn it, then we go on with the chicken. Well, this cooks a couple of minutes here. Let's turn this over. Of course, it's not cooked, but it starts cooking. Add 2 nice cloves of garlic here. Like a dash, half a teaspoon of salt or so. Maybe a dash of pepper. That's it. And then a chicken thigh. Now, that chicken thigh is quite large. It's about 10 ounces, 10, 12 ounces. I'm cutting a little bit along the bone on each side. That helps the cooking, And then on top of this, I'll put like about a quarter teaspoon or so of salt. A bit of Spanish paprika here. On this side, the other side. Okay, you can put herbe de Provence and others. I put that right on top of my potato here in the oven, 425 degrees for like 25-30 minutes. And dinner is ready. And this is it. My chicken au four in the oven. Very tender, the potatoes are cooked, onions are cooked. This is my dinner for tonight. Easy, simple, and delicious. Happy cooking!